Hey there, wellness warriors! Ever pulled an all-nighter and found yourself raiding the fridge the next day? Or noticed that after a week of poor sleep, the scale seems to tip unfavorably? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating connection between sleep and weight gain. So, if you've been burning the midnight oil and wondering why those jeans feel a tad tighter, this one's for you. The sleep-weight saga. Sleep, often overlooked, plays a pivotal role in our overall health. And while we often associate it with rest and recovery, its impact on our weight is profound and backed by science. Hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin. Lack of sleep can play havoc with our hunger hormones. Ghrelin signals hunger, and leptin signals fullness. Sleep deprivation increases ghrelin and decreases leptin, making us feel hungrier. Ever noticed after a sleepless night, even after a hearty breakfast, by mid-morning you're craving snacks? That's ghrelin and leptin out of balance. Stress hormone, cortisol. Poor sleep can lead to elevated cortisol levels. High cortisol can lead to increased appetite, promoting weight gain. Think of those times when, after a restless night, you felt not just physically tired but also emotionally stressed. That's cortisol at play. Insulin sensitivity. Sleep affects how our bodies respond to insulin. Reduced sleep can lead to decreased insulin sensitivity, making it harder for our cells to use sugar effectively, leading to weight gain and even type 2 diabetes. It's not just about the quantity of food but how our body processes it. That sugar crash after a dessert. It hits harder when we're sleep deprived. Reduced physical activity. It's no surprise that when we're tired, we're less likely to exercise. But it's not just about the missed calorie burn. Lack of sleep can reduce our muscle mass, slowing down our metabolism. Remember those days when even a simple walk felt like a marathon? That's the body conserving energy due to lack of rest. Late night snacking. Staying up late often leads to late night snacking. These extra calories, often from unhealthy snacks, can lead to weight gain over time. Those midnight ice cream raids or chip binges. They're not just about indulgence but a body seeking energy due to sleep deprivation. Decision-making and impulse control. A tired brain is less capable of making sound decisions. This includes food choices. We're more likely to opt for unhealthy, calorie-dense foods when sleep deprived. Ever wondered why, after a night of poor sleep, that salad seems less appealing, and you're gravitating towards that burger? It's the brain seeking instant gratification. Growth hormone production. Sleep is when our body produces growth hormone, essential for muscle development. Muscle burns more calories at rest than fat, so reduced muscle mass can lead to weight gain. It's not just about the calories we consume but also about how effectively our body uses them. Muscles are calorie-burning powerhouses, and their development is linked to sleep. Tips to improve sleep for weight management. Consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. Limit screen time. The blue light from screens can interfere with melatonin production, a sleep hormone. Create a sleep-conducive environment. Dark, cool, and quiet spaces can enhance sleep quality. Limit caffeine and alcohol, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. Incorporate relaxation techniques, such as reading, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. In conclusion, sleep isn't just about rest. It's a cornerstone of our overall health and plays a pivotal role in weight management. In our hustle culture, where burning the midnight oil is often glorified, it's essential to recognize the value of a good night's sleep. So, the next time you're tempted to binge watch that series late into the night, remember, sleep tight to weigh right. Until next time, sweet dreams and healthy choices.